Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll cover its Fluvir 75 mg tablet uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's dive right in. Manufactured by Hetero Drugs Ltd. Fluvir 75 mg Capsule. Uses. Fluvir 75 mg Capsule is used for the treatment of influenza, commonly known as the flu. Influenza is a viral infection that affects the respiratory system, including the nose, throat, and lungs. Benefits. Fluvir 75 mg capsule works by preventing the flu virus from spreading to uninfected areas of the body. It restricts the movement of infection-causing viruses, reducing the severity and duration of the flu. For best results, take it exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Side effects. Like most medications, Fluvir 75 mg capsule can cause side effects. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. If these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Fluvir 75 mg capsule in the dose and duration as prescribed by your doctor. It can be taken with or without food, but it's best to take it at the same time each day to maintain consistent levels in your body. How it works? Fluvir 75 mg capsule is a neuraminidase inhibitor. It blocks neuraminidase, an enzyme used by the flu virus to infect healthy cells. By inhibiting this enzyme, Fluvir prevents the virus from spreading, helping your body fight the infection effectively.